Mysterious and exotic, India is one of the most populous places on Earth. As an adult, the elephants can become aggressive. Run-ins between humans and elephants are on the rise, with deadly results. 400 fatalities a year. In 2011, 2 hungry elephants were chased by farmers protecting their crops. Separated from their herd, they wandered into the city of Mysore. One chases a crowded city bus. The other panics. Mauling cattle. Injuring several people. And killing. Elephants are a big part of Indian culture. They're considered sacred animals. Domesticated elephants are routinely decorated and paraded in religious celebrations. But even these planned encounters can go horribly awry. In southern India, a 3-year-old elephant working in a Hindu festival becomes frightened by a huge crowd. Instead of running to safety, people made matters worse by swarming and crowding it. 6 people were seriously injured before the elephant was subdued. One of those temple elephants got loose during a festival in Kerala. Tragically, 3 people died.